Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sunita Ravi. This is another question on decision making. So the information is given for five products A, B, C, D and E. Sales are given. Variable cost as percentage of sale is also given. Fixed overhead is given. So we have to prepare a statement showing the amount of loss expected and recommend the change in the sales volume of each product which will eliminate the expected loss. So we make a table. So there are five products, so we write it here. Name of the product A, B, C, D and E. Here we write total. Here we write particulars. So the question itself, it is written that we have to prepare a statement showing the amount of loss expected. So we write it here. Statement showing expected loss, and these values are given in lakhs, so we write it here rupees in lakhs. Okay, so we follow the same formula to calculate profit or loss. Sales minus variable cost, that answer we take it as contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost, that is equal to profit or loss. So first we write sale. Sale for individual product is given 70, 60, 50, 80 and 40. So we write it here. Sales 70, 60, 50, 80 and 40. Total is equal to 300. Now we have to deduct variable cost. Variable cost as a percentage of sale is given. Variable cost as a percentage of sale 50%, 40%, 60%, 70%, 80%. So we have to make working note. Calculation of variable cost. Variable cost as percentage of sales are given in the question. That is for A, B, C, D and E. Percentage of sale 50, 40, 60, 70, 80. 50%, 40%, 60%, 70%, 80%. Sales are given in the question 70, 60, 50, 80 and 40. Now we calculate variable cost. 70 into 50%, 60 into 40%, 50 into 60%, 80 into 70% and 40 into 80%. That is equal to 35. Here it is 24, 30, 56, 32. So we write it in this table. 35, 24, 30, 56, 32. Total is equal to 177. Now sales minus variable cost, we know the answer, that is equal to contribution. Contribution 70 minus 35 is equal to 35. 60 minus 24 is equal to 36. 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. 80 minus 56 is equal to 24. 40 minus 32 is equal to 8. Now total is equal to 123. Minus fixed cost. According to the question, fixed overhead is given, so we write it here, fixed overhead, that is equal to 125. So we write it here 125. Answer is negative, then it is loss. So we write it here, loss of 2 lakh. First part is over. After this, according to the question, recommend a change in the sale volume of each product which will eliminate the loss. So we have to apply the formula, that is equal to sales to eliminate the loss is equal to loss upon PV ratio. So we calculate, first we calculate PV ratio. PV ratio is equal to contribution upon sales into 100. We have already calculated contribution, 35 upon 70 into 100, that is equal to 50%. Next, 36 upon 60 into 100, that is equal to 60%. 20 upon 50 into 100, that is equal to 40%. Then 24 upon 80 into 100, that is equal to 30%. Then 8 upon 40 into 100 is equal to 20%. Now we have to apply in this formula 2 upon 50%. PV ratio of this particular product is 50%. That is equal to 4. And for second product, 2 upon PV ratio of this particular product is 60%. That is equal to 3.33. And for C product, 2 upon 40% is equal to 5. And for D product, 2 upon PV ratio this particular product is 30% is equal to 6.67. And for E product, 2 upon PV ratio this particular product is 20%, that is equal to 10. Okay, so we can make a conclusion that one product at a time we can increase the sale. So in case of, as there is the budgeted loss of 2 lakhs and the sale of only one product can be increased. So in case of A product, if we increase the sale by 4 lakh, they can eliminate the loss of 2 lakh. And in case of product B, if we increase the sales by 3.33 lakh, then we can eliminate the loss of 2 lakh. In case of C product, if we increase the sale by 5 lakh, then the company can eliminate the loss of 2 lakh. And in case of D product, if they increase the sale by 6.67 lakh, then they can eliminate the loss of 2 lakh. And in case of E product, if we increase the sale by 10 lakh, they can eliminate the loss of 2 lakh. Thanks for watching.